punching holes and skipping free. Chatterbox.
You may sit. Not you, Rita. You may not sit. You may not ask can you sit, or you may not ask can you go home early, or any of that other nonsense. This is an Irish court, an official court of Irish law, and you are an employee. Do you understand?
You should be more strict with her. You should treat her like a dog.
Nobody asked your opinion. Your role here is that of a typist. Do you understand? Read back what you wrote.
Type?
Type.
So you want me to talk?
You just did.
Okay, but can I answer now?
You just did. We are here for the matter of Sabrina Kelly versus Maria Delaney. Sabrina Kelly is accused of bringing home what Maria Delaney describes as lecherous old farts, who often wander into her bedroom while she is asleep. She describes them as always being naked, and she describes the house as they think to be a brothel. Perhaps you could give us an opening statement, Sasha Le Pen.
Thank you, Your Honor. As you can see, my client is a young, beautiful, and modern woman who enjoys a carefree lifestyle. She's like a French woman, trying new things and experimenting. She cannot be found guilty or even apologize for living with this wannabe spinster. There's a problem. He's totally freaking out because she cannot get a man in her bed.
Objection, Your Honour. I know for a fact that is not true.
You do?
I do, Your Honour. Myself and Miss Delaney have a special payment plan that would contradict what Pencilface has said.
Pencilface?
I think she meant the plain bowl.
No need for that, Rita, although I do see your point.
A rumors has it she's not so OCD about who she's going to bed with.
Your Honor, this man, as charming as he is disgusting. I'm very particular with the man I go to bed with. And I have a strict no Irishman need apply policy, if you see what I mean. And I follow it and I adhere to it with no restrictions. Or maybe sometimes some restrictions.
No winking, Miss Le Pen. It's very creepy.
Yeah.
Mr. Matlin, would you like to put your client or girlfriend's case before us? That's if she has one. You do realise you are a solicitor and not an artist, don't you?
I am many things, Your Honour.
That you are, Anthony, but perhaps today you could be a solicitor.
Your Honour, my sweet Mary.
Maria.
No, Anthony.
Me, you idiot. My name is Maria Delaney. Jesus, even after what you subjected me to last night, you don't even know my name.
Sorry, Your Honour. Maria is subjected nearly nightly to the sight of nude and more likely men rubbing themselves on her home appliances.
Objection, Your Honor.
On what grounds?
On the grounds that this filthy bag was at my client's house last night and we found him rubbing himself against her personal items, a toaster to be precise.
That's slanderous, Your Honour.
We have video proof, Your Honor.
Objection sustained.
That's my job, Anthony.
I'd like to see the footage.
Actually, so would I, but it'd be inadmissible in court. But perhaps we can see it later, Sasha.
I can get the projector ready.
Calm down there, Zoltan.
Somebody's getting whipped tonight like a dog.
Stop. Just silence. Remember? Sabrina Kelly, can you give us an insight into why you potentially put Marie Delaney's life in danger here by bringing home these strange men.
They're not strange, Your Honour. They're all vetted.
They're vetted?
I'm a sugar baby.
No objection, Your Honor.
You're objecting to your own client.
Yeah, because she's Irish and stupid, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, shut your mouth, you old bitch. I am not.
Xenophobic and cross, Sasha. Well done. Overruled. Continue, Sabrina.
I meet men from a very classy website who pay me for companionship and who like to buy me things like holidays and handbags, and they like to give me money for my mates to go out sometimes. They're all really sweet and very respectful and...
So you're a hooker?
Objection. I mean, shut up, Sultan.
Sustained.
Shut up, Anthony.
Shut up.
This all seems a bit seedy and dangerous, Sabrina.
Oh no, Your Honour. I pick mainly judges and solicitors.
Objection,
Barristers
Your Honour.
mainly, they can afford it.
Objection, Your Honour.
Grounds?
Never mind.
Go ahead, Sabrina. You were saying something about judges?
Oh yes, Your Honour. They are mostly the weirdest of all of my clients.
I've heard enough.
No, well, tell us more.
No, that's enough.
Something to hide?
No, be quiet.
You should have listened when I objected.
I object to the two of you talking.
Oh, taking the fourth, are you?
This is not America.
No, that's for sure. In America, like in France. In France or in America, we have educated people.
Object!
Yes, me too, sustained. We will take a short break and then afterwards we will hear the testimony of Maria Delaney. You may be seated.
Stand.
Dismiss him, you may sit.
Stand, animals.
One more word. Maria Delaney, can you describe to the court the effect Sabrina Kenny's actions have had on your mental health and your living condition?
I object.
On what grounds?
She looks like she's lying.
Overruled. Go ahead, Maria.
I am from the country, Your Honour, and before moving from there I would have lived a sheltered life. And now, after living with Sabrina, I fear for my life every night with all the strangers and strange men she brings home.
Okay. Be careful what you say, there's judges involved here.
Fear for my life nightly. I can't sleep. What with everything that's going on around here?
Do you not pay Anthony here in alternative ways?
The bill is fully paid, Your Honour, if you know what I mean.
Don't want to know what you mean.
That's different, Your Honour. That's love. And a respectful relationship.
It is?
It is.
It is, Your Honour. I am with child.
It's not mine.
Anthony, it is.
It can't be mine. A few years ago, I ruptured my testicles in Thailand. My sperm count is absolutely zilch.
Saved.
Ask her about her own website. Sweet little farm girl.
Will I write this down for you?
No. Actually, yes, maybe for research purposes. Is this true, Maria?
That's more religious, Your Honour. Like finding the right man with the right morals.
She has way more stuff than I do. She even got a car, Your Honour.
I'm prettier, that's why.
Objection.
Enough.
Objection.
Bit late, Sasha, bit late.
Yeah, well, a bit late. Only in Ireland. Only in Ireland. In France, for example, our men are cultured, refined, and well dressed, by the way. And when they need a little extra, they take a mistress. They don't need to go to a website. And here they're like dogs, paying for cheap gifts, like bones.
Maybe that's all you deserve.
No, Your Honour.
Mr. Matlin, maybe you could give us your closing argument.
Yes, Your Honour. Ladies and gentlemen, especially the gentlemen of the jury, my young, innocent client has done absolutely nothing wrong here.
She's not that innocent.
Look, she's a
Can I
bit,
go home?
she's a bit calculating, she's a bit discernful, but aren't we all, Your Honour? You know,
No.
we all are
No.
sometimes.
No.
But, Your Honour, may I also say that our kitchen appliances are absolutely, brilliant. I love them. And for that reason, and that reason only, find her innocent, please, Your Honour. Thank you.
I'd find her guilty just because of the words you stated there. Miss Le Pen.
Your Honor, ladies, gentlemen with and without sperm and testicles,
I think she means you, Anthony.
my beautiful young client, Sabrina Kelly, has done nothing wrong except enjoying a carefree lifestyle, trying to find a way in this complicated world with enemies on her path, enemies full of frustration, bullies who, because they cannot get any man, and yes, I say any man, in their bed, are suing her in court. This is unacceptable, Your Honor. This is unacceptable. This young lady has done absolutely nothing wrong. And let me prove
That's
it.
morally debatable.
And let me prove it. Now, let's imagine for one moment that I could go on holidays with someone in this court, a young man, Zoltan, away on holidays and pamper him. I wanted to pay him the flights and the hotel and a new car and renew his wardrobe and
Which would be
tennis
no harm.
lessons and a massage at the pool. And if I wanted to feel his strong muscles against my face and just feel him inside me.
Okay.
Shut up. Well, there would be nothing wrong about that.
There-
Because
a
I
lot
am a
of things
free
wrong with
woman. I am educated. I make lots of money if I want to share it. What is wrong with that? Absolutely nothing. My client is innocent. The only mistake here is by the Irish law system and its third world ethics.
Thank you, Miss Lip. I do find you guilty, Miss Kelly, and I sentence you to spend 2 nights in a rural B&B with Anthony Matlin. Yahoo! And Anthony will buy you all the handbags you want. And you won't get pregnant, so that's a plus.
Punching holes and skipping free. Chatterboxer on his heels.